Welcome to Perfect Guardian, and I'll tell you some home remedies for curing cough, and that too persistent and dry coughs. So first I'll come to a spoonful of honey. Now this is an excellent alternative remedy for both kids and adults, but should never be given to children under the age of 2 years due to the risk of botulism. Now you will need 1 tablespoon of organic raw honey. Now how to use this? Take 1 tablespoon of honey 1 to 3 times daily as needed to control coughing. Take immediately before bed if cough is disrupting your sleep. For children you can adjust the dosing to 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon. Now licorice root tea. Now licorice root is both an expectorant and demulcent, at the same time soothing your airways while loosening and thinning of mucus, easing and congestion. Now how to use this? You will need 2 tablespoons of dried licorice root and 8 ounces of fresh water. Now bring water to a boil and place the licorice root in a mug. Cover with water and steep for 10 to 15 minutes. Drink the entire cup up to 2 times daily. Now, third is gargle salt water. Also popular remedy for sore throats. Salt water can ease the discomfort caused by a cough the same way it helps the sore throat through osmosis. Now, when the concentration of salt is higher outside the cells in your mucous membranes, water flows out of the cells to balance everything out. Now you will need 1 teaspoon of salt and 8 ounces of warm water. Now direction is stir salt into water until it is thoroughly dissolved. Gargle for 15 seconds. Spit and repeat with the remaining water. Rinse with plain water afterwards. Now the fourth one is get the steam and steam. I can't say how underrated steam is when it comes to anything dealing with cough, cold or congestion. Not only does the steam quite literally loosen mucus and phlegm almost immediately, but you can add numerous essential oils that will impart wonderful healing benefits. Now what you will need: 3 drops of tea tree oil, 1 to 2 drops of eucalyptus oil, a bowl of water, a soft clean towel. Now bring enough water to a boil to halfway. Fill a medium size heat-proof bowl. Pour the water into it. Let it cool slightly for 30 to 60 seconds and add the essential oils, giving it a quick stir to release the vapors. Lean over the bowl and get as close as you can while still being comfortable. Remember that steam can seriously burn. Use the towel to cover your head like a tent, trapping a steam, and breathe deeply. Ideally do this for 5 to 10 minutes, 2 to 3 times a day. Now, tea theme. Theme has been used for centuries and was even used during one of the most devastating pandemics to take place in human history. Now what you will need: a handful of fresh thyme sprigs or 2 tablespoons of dried thyme, 8 ounces of fresh water, honey or lemon. It's optional. Now how to use it? Lightly bruise the rheum, like example with a mortar and pestle, and then place in a mug. Cover with 8 ounces of boiling water. Cover and let it steep for 10 to 15 minutes. Add some lemon or honey to taste and drink the whole thing. Repeat 2 to 3 times daily as needed. It's absolutely delightful just before bedtime, unless you aren't a fan or rhyme, but drink some anyways. Now the sixth thing is pepper and honey. Black pepper is the world's most traded spice, but most of us use it limited to the culinary world. What people don't know is that it can make a great remedy for coughs. Now what you will need: 1 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of honey and 8 ounces of fresh water. Now how to use this? Place the pepper and honey in a mug and then cover with boiling water. Give it a stir to disperse the pepper flakes and melt in the honey. Stir for 10 minutes. Stir once more and drink in its entirety. Repeat 1 to 2 times a day as needed to loosen mucus. Now ginger peppermint syrup. Now here you get the soothing qualities of warming ginger, all wrapped up in a delicious, easy to swallow a cough syrup. What you will need is a 3 tablespoon of chopped ginger, 1 tablespoon of dried peppermint, 4 cups of water and 1 cup of honey. Chop the ginger and add it along with the peppermint to 4 cups of water. Bring to a boil and then lower the heat so that the liquid simmer. Simmer until the liquid has been reduced by half. Then strain. Let it cool slightly and then stir in 1 cup of honey until it has been dissolved completely. Bottle and take 1 tablespoon every few hours as needed to ease your cough. Keep refrigerated for up to 3 weeks. Now, tips is like, I cannot stress the importance of covering your tea while it steeps. Not only does it keep it piping hot, it traps all the steam and any of the volatile oils in the steam in the cup for you to inhale when you uncover it. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel Perfect Guardian and give your comments.